Welcome back, digital leaders. As we forge into 2024, the impact of artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly pervasive across various industries. So, to stay ahead of the curve and unlock new opportunities, it's essential to equip yourself with the right AI skills. In this video, we will explore 5 cutting-edge AI skills that will future-proof your career and propel you towards success. So, let's dive in. Skill number one: machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning and deep learning are at the heart of many AI applications, from predictive analysis to computer vision and natural language processing. By understanding these technologies, you will be able to develop intelligent systems that can learn from data, identify the patterns, and make accurate predictions. Python and R are popular programming languages for machine learning, with libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Online courses on platforms like Coursera and Udemy can provide you with hands-on training in these areas. For example, imagine being able to develop a recommendation system that can suggest personalized products or services to customers based on their preferences and behavior. Or you should build a computer vision model that can automatically detect defects in the manufacturing processes, improving efficiency and reducing cost. Skill number two: natural language processing or NLP. NLP is the branch of AI that deals with understanding, interpreting, and generating human language. As more business adopt controversial AI assistants, chatbots, and voice enabled interfaces, mastering NLP will be a highly sought after skill. Popular NLP libraries like NLTK, that is Natural Language Toolkit, for Python and Spacy can help you build applications that can understand and respond to human language in a natural and contextual manner. Imagine being able to develop a virtual assistant that can understand and respond to customer inquiries in real time, providing personalized support and enhancing the overall customer experience. Or you could create a sentiment analysis tool that can analyze social media data and provide valuable insights into consumer sentiment towards your brand or products. Skill number three: computer vision and image recognition. Computer vision and image recognition technologies are revolutionizing industries like healthcare, retail, and autonomous vehicles. By learning these skills, you will be able to develop applications that can interpret and analyze visual data, opening up a world of possibilities. Libraries like OpenCV, Delb, and TensorFlow object detection API can help you build computer vision models for tasks like object detection, facial recognition, and image classifications. For instance, you could develop a medical imaging system that can accurately diagnose diseases by analyzing the X-rays or MRI scans, or you could create a retail solution that can automatically track inventory levels and optimize supply chain operations using visual data. Skill number four: data engineering and modeling. As artificial intelligence systems become more advanced, the ability to manage and process large volumes of data is very crucial. Data engineering and modeling skills will enable you to build robust data pipelines, clean and pre process data, and create accurate models for AI applications. Tools like Apache Spark, Hadoop, and Kafka can help you handle big data workloads, while libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Scikit-learn can assist with data manipulation, analysis, and modeling. Imagine being able to build a real-time data pipeline that can ingest and process streamlined data from IoT devices, enabling predictive maintenance and optimizing operational efficiency. Or you could develop a fraud detection system that can analyze vast amounts of financial data and identify suspicious patterns, protecting businesses from potential losses. And skill number five: ethical AI, and responsible development. As AI becomes more persuasive, it's essential to understand the ethical implications and potential biases inherent in these systems. By learning about ethical AI and responsible development practices, you will be able to create a AI solution that are fair, transparent, and accountable. Courses on topics like AI ethics, algorithmic bias, and privacy preserving AI can help you navigate the complexities of developing AI systems that prioritize human well being and societal good. Imagine being able to develop an AI powered hiring system that eliminates unconscious biases and promotes diversity and inclusion. Or you could create an AI driven decision making tool that ensures transparency and explainability, building trust with the stakeholders as well as the customers. So, digital leaders, as we move into 2024, embracing these AI skills will not only future proof your career, but also empower you to create innovative solutions that drive progress and positive change. Remember, AI is a rapidly evolving field, and continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead. Invest in your professional development by taking online courses, attending workshops, and actively participating in AI communities. Collaborate with like minded individuals and don't hesitate to experiment and explore new AI technologies and applications. By mastering these AI skills, you will be well equipped to navigate the digital landscapes and contribute to a society fueled by empowerment, innovations, and relentless progress. So let's embark on this transformative journey together for a brighter future. If you like this If you like this topic, post a comment below and don't forget to hit the like and the share button and of course subscribe my channel for more such content in this particular domain. Till then, see you in my next video. Thank you.